Matt, can you just kind of start us off with an assessment of what you've seen the last 4 days?
Yeah, I'm pleased. First 2 days, no pads, just kind of getting our feet underneath us. I thought the energy was good. The second day, toward the end, the heat got them a little bit. We took yesterday off, just meetings, kind of catching up on all the install. Then today was the first day of pads, which I thought was very good. I thought the middle drills were physical. Thought that was good. The team competitions were good. Obviously, a lot of things to get cleaned up, a lot of things to work on, but I was pleased with the effort and the physicality. That's what I like seeing.
Obviously, there's been a lot of attention on the offensive line. I've seen you there a lot in the early parts of practices. What have you seen from the line as a whole, and then Michael Howard at right tackle?
Good. I mean, they realize all the talk that's out there, so they just gotta go prepare with a sense of urgency and a chip on their shoulder. Some of the young guys got to get ready a little bit quicker, and then some of the older guys have to step up. Mike Howard, I think, has really stepped up there. That added weight has really helped him. Been very pleased with Royce. Eli's been fighting in there at center. Bryce is playing some center, some tackle. Royce is playing some guard, some tackle. So we're just looking at a bunch of different lineups. Cunningham just showed some flashes. Broker and Jeremy James, two of the freshmen, been in there with the twos, and they've been competing, making some freshman mistakes. But, I think they're working, and they understand the sense of urgency.
Are you spending more time there with the lineman, Matt, than you normally would?
A little bit, just to make sure, again, they're young, so the more the better. And I've really enjoyed that part of it too, just getting back there. Again, with me trying to get some of the freshmen that we've got ready to play before, just kind of going back to that experience a little bit.
You mentioned the physicality. Can you sense with the new coaches in here it might be a little different than physicality has been the past couple of years?
Yeah, I think so. I think there's a little bit more of an emphasis on it. For sure. Definitely for the defense, getting some 12 and 22 looks early. With tight end on the ball and fullback looks. Starting that right from the very beginning, and then obviously Rich's mentality on offense. So I think that's a good combination. So I think that leads to a little bit more physicality for sure.
Matt, it's been a few days since we've asked you about Alex. Any further update on?
All I can tell you is that he's going to go back to Jackson and get reevaluated tomorrow. So he'll travel to Jackson and be reevaluated tomorrow. So I'll probably know a little bit more. They'll do the MRIs and so they can look at it and see how the progression's coming.
From the little we've seen, looks like there's been a decent amount of two tight end stuff. Do you like seeing that? Do you feel like you have enough depth there?
Well, we have two seniors there with Pellerin and Cooley that we think can both help us. So I think they're both athletes. They both, Cooley's physical. Jason can be a mismatch. So I think you got two veteran guys that I think that'll be a good change up, and we'll also be able to run the football out of those sets. So I think it'll be a good change up for us.
Does it seem like practice is moving faster, just at a quicker pace than last year?
We're just coaching, just trying to get it all done. I think we have a sense of urgency. I think guys, a lot of people are on the field with a lot to prove, coaches and players both, and so we're just out there coaching with a sense of urgency.
Has anybody stood out to you among the new wide receivers, the freshman wide receivers?
Yeah, all of them. I really like our freshman class. I think we got a lot of talent in there. All for different reasons. Mingo with his combination of size and power and speed, and then Dennis is really, really fast. I really like seeing that. Jernigan showed his moments. Jaden Jackson can take the top off the cover. So they've all shown flashes. DeMarcus Gregory's looked much better. He looks like he's lost some weight. He looks quicker out there. And then obviously Elijah. He's kind of picked up where he left off. So.
Is Tate Standifer, where is he, safety now?
He is a safety. Today? Mike was pleased. He was coming off that Achilles tendon. He didn't do much, even though he was here in the spring. But looks like he's flashed a couple times when he's had his opportunity. So we're working to get him on some special teams and just kind of see where he's at.
I know it's real early. Speaking of the freshmen, what have you seen from the young quarterbacks?
It's been it's just hard to tell. Today was the first day in pads. They're in white jerseys a lot, so maybe the first scrimmage will pull some of the white jerseys off the young guys and really see where they are. But they've been good. A few mistakes here and there, but I've been pleased so far.
Maybe a dumb question. No logos on the helmets. Do they have to earn it? Something like
No,
that.
Just part of it right now. We'll get the game week, we'll add it, but that's nothing different.
Yeah.
Threw me off with that one. Right
Yeah.